Morning traders, it's Tuesday the 27th of June and it's lovely to see you. As always guys, we are going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's get started, no messing about. Let's start with yesterday's trades, guys. And the first one we were looking at was New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, guys. Why were we looking to buy this? Well, let me explain. So price was in a downtrend. And then when we got a break of these highs here, we were then in an uptrend. Yeah, higher lows, higher highs. All right. And now price has come back down. This low here has never been broken because this wick closed back inside this low. Okay, so for me, we are still in, this structure, this upward structure. Okay. And then, like I say, guys, if we look at these lows in a bit more detail, you can see this low never broke. This wick closed back above this low. Yeah, we've got the moving average 20 coming round. All right. So there were lots of reasons to like this level. There's a bit of support here. And as you can see, buyers came in and pushed this price off of that level. Okay. So that's why we were looking at this pair, looking to buy it. If we drop down to the H1, I explained this one in detail on the VIP Discord channel, guys, because it wasn't as clear cut as you would think. Because, normally price comes down. Yeah, we're with H1 currently, but then bang, yeah, we get a change in H1 structure. We got higher lows, higher highs. Okay, so at this point, I'm interested in buys, and all I'm looking for is a bit of a retrace. All right, and that's exactly what we get, guys. Yeah, we get a bit of a retrace into our grey zone. We could enter straight away or wait for this candle. Yeah, either way, yeah, we can enter, put our stop below here, and you will, you haven't quite got a risk to reward of 1:1 yet. Yeah, we'll be looking to take price back up to here. And this trade's still looking good. This candle literally that's just formed, the close of this candle has just broken all of these previous highs. So that tells us it wants to carry on up to our blue line, our target. So yeah, when you look at it like that, guys, it was a textbook entry. But if we go to the H4, yeah, H4 was clearly in a downtrend. And then price had got to the moving average 20. And if we followed the H1 trend on, it would look something like this, and we could take price down to here. So the H4 kept me out of this trade. In hindsight, we don't have hindsight. I wish we did. In hindsight, I would have entered this trade, but it's this H4 structure that kept me out of this trade, guys, basically. So I just wanted to show you that. But yeah, New Zealand's coming up nicely now. And, if this H4 candle breaks this last H4 highs here, then guys, we've definitely got a nice trade on our hands, at least back up to here. Okay, guys, so yeah, let's see what our H4 candle does. So that was the first trade from yesterday. The second trade was this. It was US dollar against the Swiss franc. Yeah, so we were both both of these trades were looking at a bit of US dollar weakness. Okay. So the second one was US dollar Swiss franc. And we were looking to short this pair. And by shorting this pair, this again means US dollar weakness. Okay. So price had come up and then it broke down. Okay. Price has been breaking down. Price come back up to these last highs. Again, never broke it. If we get a wick like this, guys, that closes back below the highs, that is not a break in structure. On the H4, H1, that might be a break. Yeah, but on the day chart, that is not a break of these highs. And then sure enough, price comes back down and hits target. Okay, so we were just following this downward trend. It's almost in a range now, guys. Yeah, it's sort of ranging between here and here. Yeah, we find ourselves in a little range. If we drop down to the H1, how could we trade this? Well, there was this candle here. Yeah, this is the candle I like, guys, because this candle confirms the H1 structure and we have a bit of a break of our grey zone. So price came up. Yeah, at this point, yeah, we're not sure if we're in an uptrend or a downtrend. Yeah, because at this, at this point, guys, we're getting, higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, this is still, this low hasn't broken, but then it's formed potentially a lower high here. So at this point, it's not clear what the structure is. But then we get a lot of indecision followed by a bang. Yeah, followed by a breakdown. And as soon as we see this candle here, that not only breaks all of these lows in here, but breaks this low as well, then this is the candle to take back down. Okay, you put your stop above here, enter here, and yeah, you get a risk to reward of just over 1:1. All right, nice trade. Yeah. Yeah, and then I close 80% here. Yeah, and then I leave my stop loss here. But it depends now, guys. If price starts bouncing off this level again and comes down, I'll just move my stop to here, to here, to here, until it gets taken out, guys. Okay. So, yeah, US dollar, Swiss franc, again, yeah, did as we expected. And the final trade from yesterday was this, guys. It was euro dollar against the Canadian dollar. So where are you? There you are. Okay, let's start with the day chart. So we were looking to short this, guys. Yeah. So, for obvious reasons, yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay. At this point, we wasn't sure about if we were getting higher highs, but then price breaks down again. So if we wasn't sure, we've had a break back down. Okay, so we're definitely in a downtrend as we speak. And the idea was just to come a little bit lower. If I zoom in now, you can see we also had a nice bearish candle. We've had a couple of bearish candles. Okay, so yeah, we were just trying to take price back down to this blue line. If we drop down to the H1 now, it just wasn't that easy to enter on, guys, really. I mean, there was this level through here, this kind of level through here, but even this candle didn't break that level. I was looking at this candle, and then before you know it, once you come down, guys, we're already at these lows. So the risk to reward doesn't make sense. The sort of trade is a bit void for me, guys. So yeah, this one was just difficult to enter on. I was looking for a move potentially back up here, test these highs, get a bearish reaction. But instead, it just sort of, plodded along all day, not really giving us an entry. Yeah, difficult price action to trade that. So yeah, EURCHF, we didn't trade this bet, but maybe you did, guys, and we would love to hear from you. Let us know about your trade ideas and your trades, and you can leave them in our free Discord channel. Yeah, so check it out. So those were the trades from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at the news now. Not the news. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Forgive me. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, maybe you took some of the trades, then come join us. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and if everyone could please smash the like button right now. Thank you. Help support the channel. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. Okay, guys, so trades for Tuesday, the 27th of June. Before I give you my trade ideas, let me just mention a few things our channel does. So first of all, guys, we've got a free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. We've got trade ideas. We've got analysis. We've got indicators. We've got useful links, books, loads of cool things on the free Discord, guys. So come join that. The link is in the video description somewhere. And secondly, guys, we've also got VIP Discord. So VIP Discord, guys, you get access to me throughout the trading day. So you can ask me questions about your trades or anything to do with trading. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen during the day. And you also get a lot of exclusive content, guys, as well. And you get access to a performance coach. Loads of cool things on the VIP Discord. Come join it. Secondly, guys, if you would like to be coached or mentored one-on-one with myself, then we also run a mentorship program. If you're interested in this, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Again, the email is on our channel. Thirdly, guys, we also have YouTube membership. So if you enjoy our videos every day, our live streams, our analysis, then you can show your support and join YouTube membership. It's only a small amount of money, guys, but you get some cool perks as a result as well. And finally, guys, don't forget our live streams every day, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Come join us for that. We will see you then. Get all of your questions ready. Right. First trade idea for Tuesday, the 27th of June is this, guys. It's euro against the Swiss franc. Okay. And you can see, guys, yeah, we're in an uptrend. Okay. And then price has had a real strong reaction back at these lows. Yeah. And we could potentially push price back up to this blue line here would be my target. Okay, so structurally, we're still in an uptrend. Yeah, and then if you look at, you know, these are the last lows from here to here. Look at this wick on this candle. There's a huge rejection at this level. Okay, so yeah, you know, in an uptrend, huge rejection wick, we can take price higher. I've only gone for this, you know, quite conservative target, guys, because of this. So first of all, this could potentially be a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, that's first of all. And secondly, look at the weekly candle. Yeah, that weekly candle is potentially, you know, carrying on the downtrend. All right, guys. So it's, you know, that's why this blue line is a quite conservative target. Okay. If we drop down to the H1 now, what do I want to see? So in order for this trade to have value and make sense in terms of risk to reward, I just want price to retrace into this gray zone somewhere. Okay. We get a bullish reaction in this gray zone, perhaps with these last lows here. Get a bullish reaction, we can then take price back up to here. Okay, we can put our stop below these lows, yeah, or even our entry candle, and yeah, take price back up to here. And that's all I'm looking for, guys. I mean, you know, if it breaks this level here, fine, but you know, you've got no room to move into. So we need that retrace, bullish reaction. We can get into this trade. All right, so that's Euro Swiss franc, guys. I'm also seeing the same on pound Swiss franc. So let's take a look at that. We start with the day chart. So yeah, similar story, guys. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. Okay, and then price has, you know, held on to this level through here, this grey zone here. You can see with yesterday's wick, again, we've had a real rejection at that price. Buyers have entered this market and we're looking to, you know, capitalize on that buying pressure and take it back up to this blue line or even this blue line. Okay, yeah, if we zoom in a little bit, guys, you can also see, you know, like I say, we've got this nice wick, And I know it's a red candle, but that is a bullish candle, if you ask me. And we've got the moving average 20 as well. So again, guys, the idea is just to come up to this blue line or even this blue line. If we drop down to the H1 now, what do we want to see? Well, there's a couple of things we could see. So on the H1, you know, we have formed a higher low. But what we haven't formed is a higher high. And we need a higher high to confirm the uptrend. So we could get a green candle that looks like this. Yeah, breaks out of this grey zone, but also breaks these last highs. Okay, therefore we have a higher high. We could enter on this candle, put our stop below here, take price up to here. Okay, so that's the first way we could trade this pair, guys. Because you can see it still hasn't broken these highs yet. All right, or price could come back down, test this low. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction, and then we can start taking price higher, guys. All right, so pound Swiss franc, euro franc, we're looking to buy these pairs. What else am I looking at? I hear you cry. So, yeah, also looking at gold, guys. Yeah, I mean, I've always been looking at gold, but there's been a bit of conflict in terms of the dollar majors. With the dollar major pairs, Aussie dollar, US dollar, pound, US dollar, euro, US dollar, I'm seeing US dollar weakness. But on gold, I'm potentially seeing US dollar strength. So I am wrestling with that idea. But if we look at gold, it's at such a nice level. Yeah, you can see, you know, price has been breaking down. Yeah, it was coming down in a downtrend. And then price has been finally broke down. Okay, out this candle here broke all of these lows here, here, and out of this grey zone. So structurally, we're clearly in a downtrend. And then we've got this big bearish candle. And then also look at the wicks. Yeah, we talked a lot about wicks today, but look at the wicks on these candles. They are not buying candles, those are selling candles. So, you know, the idea is just to take price from this grey zone again. Yeah, and my target would be down to here to start with. All right, so that's the idea, guys. If you zoom out, you can see I have another target at 1900, a nice psychological level. So let's drop down to the H1 now and see what we are looking for. So yesterday, I know a few people were interested in gold, but it never broke H1 structure. Yeah, it came up here. Yeah, it never broke H1 structure. At no point did this level break. Sure enough, we get a bullish reaction. And I still think we're going to, you know, push on into this grey zone somewhere. So we've got a couple of ways we can trade this, guys. We can trade it from, you know, back up here, back up with these highs. We get a bearish reaction. We could then start taking price lower. Okay, this would be one idea. I'd probably take some profit here and then leave some profit to run. So that's the first idea, guys. The second idea would be this. I'm going to adjust this grey zone slightly. Yeah, okay, that looks good. So the second idea is to wait for that H1 structure break. So it could happen like this, yeah? So we get price come up, it comes back down, and then eventually we see a break of these lows here. All right, once we get a break, we can start selling from here, back down to here, put our stop above here, just above the last H1 swing high. All right, guys, so yeah, we're looking for a breakdown at this level here, or we can be more aggressive and trade from up here. Okay, so that's gold. Guys, before I give you my last trade idea for today, if everyone could please stop what they're doing right now and just spend 2 seconds smashing the like button, guys. Let me hear you smash the like button. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah. And also, if you're new to the channel, guys, come and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Come join us. I give you my analysis, this analysis every morning. And don't forget, guys, yeah, we've got the Discord channel, we've got YouTube membership, we've got a mentorship program, and we've got live streams every day. So check all of those things out on our channel. So that was gold. The last trade for today really is euro against the Canadian dollar. We're still looking at this, although the entry is difficult, and I will explain in a minute. So, you know, euro Canadian dollar, we're still in a downtrend, guys. Yeah. I wasn't sure here, but bang. Yeah. We're still in a downtrend. Okay. We've got bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay. I don't like the fact that, you know, this is kind of stopped here, but these are still bearish candles and we have a bit more room to move into. Okay. If we drop down to the H1 now, where would I want to sell this pair from? And that's why it's a bit tricky, guys, because, you know, there's clearly an area through here. All right. So we could wait for a break of this. Yeah. Retest. But then, you know, there's not lots of room to move into from here. But it depends what our stop loss would be. If the risk to reward is okay, then yes, we can take this. Okay. If not, you know, there is the last H1 high here. Yeah, we could get a reaction at this level. So price comes back up, we get a bearish reaction, yeah, and then we start to take price lower. Okay, so this it's just this price action that makes things a little bit, you know, difficult, and there's not lots of room to move into, but you know, we're still expecting euro Canadian dollar to make it down to this blue line. All right, guys. So yeah, those are all the trade ideas for today. If you've enjoyed it, please smash the like button. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 27th of June, guys. Yeah, if we scroll down, the first piece of news we're interested in is this. At 1 o'clock, London GMT, we've got building permits coming out of the US. Okay, so this could really move any US dollar pairs. Half an hour later at 1:30, we got core durable goods orders. So again, this could move the US dollar. If we carry on down, guys, at the same time at 1:30, you know, this is giving it a 2-star rating, but all of this CPI data coming out of the Canada is going to move the Canadian dollar. So these 2-star ratings here are 3-star ratings as far as I'm concerned, because you know, all eyes are on inflation, and CPI is an inflation reading. So yeah, must be aware of this, guys, if you're in any Canadian dollar pair. We carry on down. We've got 2 more bits of news that we must be aware of, both coming out of 3 o'clock. We've got consumer confidence and we've got new home sales coming out of the US, guys. All right. So yeah, a bit of news today. Must be aware of that, guys. Don't forget the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York time, EST. So get your questions ready. Have a great trading day and I'll see you then. See you later, guys.